hope you all guys are having a very great day, and our today's topic is on impact of technology on jobs. While technological advancement promise a surreal future, prediction of job losses due to human replacement is also expected. Now, there are certain points which are against and in favor of impact of technology on jobs. So, now let's begin with the points that are in favor of impact of technology on jobs. The first point being technology reduces the burden. It reduces boring and repetitive tasks that the labor or the worker has to perform. The next thing is that demand for technically skilled workforce increases. As we all know that for technology you require a very good technical knowledge. So in order to satisfy that demand, there will be an increase in technically skilled laborers and workforce and employees. The next thing is new job sectors, that is cybersecurity. There will be a huge scope for coders because there will be many servers, will be many websites, there will be many applications. Hence, cybersecurity will also see a verge of rise. The next thing is growth of economy. As we all know that technology is the backbone of economy, and with increase in technology, the economy also of the nation will also boom. The next thing is consumer increases due to reduction of prices. Now, as you all know, what automation does basically is that it reduces the time that needed to manufacture any product, as well as it increases cost due to mass production. Hence, the price of the product decreases, and since the price of product decreases, the consumers can afford this kind of products. Hence, the number of consumer also increases. The next thing is there was a survey considered by Deloitte consultancy, and it showed that it compared last 140 years trends, and it showed that there will be an increase in number of jobs. If we consider industrial revolution, the first industrial revolution that happened in UK between 1960 to 1760 to 1820, the people thought that it will disturb the job market and it will reduce the jobs, but in contrary, the jobs increased and there was a huge number of aftermarket jobs available. So this is one kind of point. The next thing is technology also increases performance, productivity, and reduces errors and risk. This is the most important point because automation, if you consider Internet of Things, it reduces the cycle time and it increases the productivity and performance. Now let's move on towards against the points which are against. The first point is many jobs are becoming redundant. If you consider self-driving cars or maybe ATMs, earlier there were cashiers in place of ATMs, but now each and every cashier has been replaced totally by ATMs. The next thing is drivers. As we all know, Tesla, Uber, moreover General Motors, and many other companies, Google, they are trying to make autonomous cars, which will result in there will be no drivers for vehicles. So this is one of the point. The next thing is automation and artificial intelligence. This kind of technology will definitely take away jobs because the main purpose of automation is reduce human labor. And artificial intelligence, giving artificial intelligence to automation processes, it will result in actual decision taking and capability of thinking for any process. The next thing is hire and fire policy. As companies need skilled laborers, they will not hire them for a long time. They will simply hire them for a short period for the project that they have to make, and then they will fire. And this will result in more freelancers. There will be less people with permanent jobs, and this is terrible. The next thing is automation in agriculture. According to a survey, during this corona pandemic, there was 18.8% of decrease in March 2020 in agricultural labor jobs, and it rose to 27% in May 2020. So as we all know that agriculture is the main sector that helps in reviving any economy. So if there is automation in agriculture, many people will lose their jobs. The next thing is construction. Construction basically is based on labors and machines. So if we consider 3D printing, as 3D printing is a growing area of interest for construction engineers, 3D printing has ability to print many buildings in fraction of hours. So there was a building in China which was completely built in 3D printed in 24 hours. So you can think the level of 3D printing used in construction. The next thing is automation for bricks or maybe anything for concrete. There will be reduced in number of job opportunities. The next thing is the most important thing is increase in income inequalities. The most important thing for any democracy or maybe any country is that there should not be increase in income inequalities. If there is increase in income inequalities, there will be two groups, richer one and poor one. So it will create an imbalance in the society, and thereby causing increase in number of crimes and other problems. So that will be for group discussion on this topic. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.